Hi friends, now we are going to do one problem on operational amplifier. Simply that is actual problem. Okay, you have input resistance which is connected to operational amplifier of the negative terminal, and where positive terminal is connected to ground. Now take one feedback resistor. That resistance, input resistance is Ri, feedback resistance is Rf. Now we are applying the input value Vi, then you can calculate V0. So this is the actual operational amplifier answer. Now you know the Rf value is 200 kilo ohm and Ri value is 10 kilo ohm. 10 kilo ohm. Based on these type of problems, we have to calculate, find V0 by Vi. So this is the problem for this problem. Now how can you calculate this V0 by Vi value? You know, the operational amplifier has two terminals, negative terminal and positive terminal. If the input voltage is connected to negative terminal, that is called as inverting amplifier. So solution for this, it is an inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. You know, inverting operational amplifier, the formula is V0 is equal to minus Rf by Ri into Vi. Okay, we know already in previous videos I explained the derivation for non-inverting amplifier. Non-inverting amplifier. So simply directly you can substitute in this function is V0 is equal to, where Rf value is 200 kilo ohms, that is a minus, by, and Ri value is 10 kilo ohms. Then you will be get minus 20. That is actual concept of this input into Vi, value. Now we have to calculate V0 by Vi. V0 by Vi is equal to minus 20. There are no units for gain. This is also called as voltage gain. Okay, based on this previous problem, we are doing one more problem, that is actual problem number 2. Problem number 2. So simply you have to calculate that voltage gain V0 by Vi. V0 by Vi value for the following circuit diagram. So simply I am taking that input voltage Vi, which is connected to one resistor, that is connected to negative terminal of the operational amplifier, and where positive terminal is connected to ground. Take one feedback resistor Rf value. This one is R1 resistor. Take one more resistor, that is actual R2, which is connected to ground. So that is actual output voltage V0. In this problem, if you take that value is, this one is 500 kilo ohms, and here that value is 50 kilo ohms, and this one is 100 kilo ohms. R2 value is 100 kilo ohms, and positive terminal voltage is connected to this. So how can you calculate that V0 by Vi value? In this function, simply that can be conclusion about this concept is here. This is actual positive terminal is connected to ground. So this value is positive terminal voltage also 0. Due to virtual mode, negative terminal voltage also 0 volts. 0 volts. In this concept, here 0 volts means this point voltage also 0. Okay. In this, here some current is passing in this branch, that is actual I1. Here some current is passing, that current is IF. But in this current, here the voltage is 0. Here starting and ending, no current flows in this branch. That's why simply can be removed from that. After that, it is an inverting amplifier. Inverting amplifier. In inverting amplifier, we know based on previous videos, I explained that the formula is V0 is equal to minus RF by RI into VI value. Now I have to calculate the gain, that is V0 by VI is equal to minus RF value is, that is 500 kilo ohms by 50 kilo ohms. Finally 10. So simply you are taking the negative symbol, negative. The result is minus 10. Next, based on this inverting amplifier, we are going to do one more problem, problem number 3. That is, if the input to the circuit is, for example, we are considering this 2 sine omega t. That is actual input voltage. Simply, if the input voltage is 2 sine omega t, then you have to calculate particular branch current. Simply I am taking one input voltage is VI, which is connected to negative terminal of the operational amplifier through the resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Okay. And take the feedback resistor from negative terminal to output voltage V0. That value is 10 kilo ohm. Next, here positive terminal which is connected to ground. At the end of the output, V0, take one more resistor. That value is 4 kilo ohm, which is connected to ground. Now the question is to find I0. Find I0. Like that you can take this. So how can you find, that is actual, this is actual two input one. Find I0. This is actual problem for the following circuit diagram. You know, in this expression, if you take that VI value is 2 sine omega t. Okay. First of all, you have to calculate V0. Generally, it is an inverting op-amp, operational amplifier. So we know output voltage formula V0 is equal to minus RF by RI into VI value. In this function, the feedback value is minus 10 kilo ohms by RI value is 1 kilo ohm into your VI value. VI is equal to 2 sine omega t. That is called as V0. In this function, finally, is a minus 10 into 20, that 2 is a minus 20 sine omega t. Finally, we are getting that V0 value is this. Okay. Here the value is V0 is equal to minus 20 sine omega t. Based on this expression, you have to calculate this value is, IL, where IL is equal to, that is actual branch current of this 4 kilo ohm. Simply you can take starting voltage is V0 by that resistance is 4. Here V is equal to minus 20 sine omega t by 4. That is equal to IL. Finally, minus 5 sine omega t. That is actual IL value. IL is 5 sin omega t. Now, how can you calculate that I naught value? From this function, I naught is equal to this function. So far we have IL value and V naught value. To calculate I naught, here that in the circuit diagram some current is passing in this, current is II. Here that current is IB minus, here some current is IF value. In this, due to virtual mode, that value is IB minus value is 0. So in this function, we know at node VA, or simply you can take this value is VA using KCL, that incoming currents are I1 plus that current is equal to I1 is equal to IF is plus IB minus value 0. Finally, I1 is equal to IB. Okay, where I1 is equal to IF. So how can you calculate I1 or IF value? That value is input voltage, that is here. So here I1 is equal to V1 by that 1 kilo ohm. So finally V1 is equal to 2 sin omega t by 1. Finally 2 sin omega t. That is actual I1 value. Okay. So this is actual 1 by kilo in terms of milliamps, or simply milliamps. That is actually 1 by k. K is equal to 10 to the power of 3. 1 by 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 10 to the power of minus 3. Like that you can do. So far we have I1 value. Here I1 is passing in this branch, the same current passing in this. So IF also same. So far you have IF or I1 is equal to 2 sin omega t. The units for this are amps. Now I would like to calculate that I naught. So I naught, generally you know at node V naught by using KCL, incoming currents are I naught and I1 or IF, both are same, and outgoing currents are IL. Now I have to calculate I naught. So I naught is equal to IL minus I1. You know IL is equal to minus 5 sin omega t. What about I1 value is minus 2 sin omega t. Finally, the result is minus 7 sin omega t. That is actual I naught. So this is the formula for this. Thank you.